Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 the archive is either in unknown format or damaged error. Open any browser. Type 7-zip in browser search bar, click 7-zip website. Find system type. In my case system type is 64-bit. Download and install 7-zip application. Right-click problematic zip file, click Show More Options, 7-zip, extract to wallpapers. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.